Just a quick introduction of this video. It plainly came out of the comments you had, and that's about to show some more of the American food. So here is the food what we show in this video that we got from food banks. So we pack it out and we just focus a little bit more to the item itself. So yeah, enjoy it. And as usual, I got a surprise on the end. It's not to force you to try and force you to look at until the end of the video, but it just happens like that. So you will see for Eileen what she's doing at the end of this video. Enjoy it.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
Right, for those of you who ask me for what kind of food is there. Now, I pack out some stuff here to show you more in detail what you can expect here. And most of this stuff we got at the food banks. Now, I want to stress it out again. It is so important to make use of the food banks. Sit maar jou trots in jou sak and go to the food banks because they really help a lot, especially in the first weeks that you are here. So let me show you. I'm just going to start randomly here from a point. You will get blikkies kos. There is some blikkies kos. You get apricots and green beans, and you have some chicken of the sea. I don't really know what it is. Chicken of the sea. But this is the kind of stuff. And when you go to the food banks, it depends from food bank to food bank, and it also depends on the day what you are there, because it really depends on what is there on that day. So you will get maybe for one person 1 tin or 2 or 3 tins per person, and sometimes they work it out per family. And I know there is some food banks where you put an order in, you tell them that day, and then they make already a package up. We haven't been with one like that already, but we set us up for one like that. So yeah, interesting stuff is the cheese, you get it in different ways. There's some cheese, $10 for this cheese. I don't even know what kind of cheese it is. And we get a lot of brands that we do not know. I was so surprised. I even give some of these cold drinks you get at the food bank, and most of them are sugar-free. That is what we like. We do like the sugar-free. This one is a pork sausage. No, it's not a sausage. It's mince. It's pork mince that come in this form. And here you have meatballs. You have meatballs here. That is, we didn't try it yet. This one that is here is, hey, I love this. And their cookies are very nice. Now, me, I like these.
I just want to say about the mince. I never saw pork mince in South Africa, but here you get pork mince. So maybe there is, I don't know, but yeah.
Now take out one of these ones, show them what that looks like. Because
A donut hole.
a donut hole, nee man, here where I can film it. That's why I don't do it myself.
Now we get thick.
Half by die helfte.
Maar jy die ander helfte.
Yeah, it's like a little cookie inside.
Yes,
It's very nice.
With
I love
chocolate
it.
and a dark chocolate around.
To easily understand it, it is the hole that is placed inside donuts. They used that dough and made a round ball of it and put some icing or some kind of coating around it, depending on what donut it was from.
Yeah, and this is Ouros cookies.
Maar nou, ons
Dat
moet
is
sê
crushed.
hoeveel smaak dit.
Huh? Okay, sê gou hoe smaak dit.
Hoe smaak dit?
I don't know, I can't compare it to something, but it's not so sweet. Normally you think it's very sweet, but it's not so much. It's a little bit, but not so much. It's okay.
The difference I found from South African donuts, these donuts are meant to last in the pantry, the fridge or whatever for a few days, a week or so. The donuts in South Africa are supposed to be eaten that same day. So these ones are a bit drier than the ones we are used to, but otherwise they taste a little bit sweeter, depending on what type of coating you have. Otherwise it's the same as a donut in South Africa.
Nou toe, gaan continue. You my whole sequence is now out, but continue. I hope we're not gonna miss something now.
Yes, ja. Want ek kan haar goed uitspreek.
Ek eet nog.
This is more like the South African donuts we used to, with, do you call it cream in the
Yeah.
middle? And on top a little bit of dark chocolate. They love dark chocolate here. They are big to me.
It's saying here chocolate iced cream filled puffs.
Well, this tastes more like the donuts in South Africa we are used to.
By the time you finish taste, you
It's
are
not
full.
the same. It's not the same, but it's almost the same.
Yeah,
That's
look
all I
how
can say.
nice is that one who's coming, that stuff coming out. So it's really, that is sappig. It's not dry.
Yeah, with the cream, it's not so dry.
Okay, and then you got rice. Oh, you will have a lot of rice and potatoes and stuff like that. We don't take them
Sorry.
because we try and eliminate starch. But there's a box full of rice. What comes here? I cannot remember that I tell you. Yeah, I was talking about this cold drink. The other thing, while they are going, while they are eating, this syrup, that is amazing. We found a lot of syrup here that is sugar-free. You can see that one is sugar-free. But I must say they are like liquid. Or, you know, it's not so thick that the ones we used to in South Africa. And that is a little bit something we will have to get used to. And here we got some, we haven't used this yet. But we will try and use this on our salads because I like to make salads. And this little cookies, it's like a No-Man brand. We saw it now by the two different food pantries that we went, but they are really nice for a snack.
Dit lyk nie lekker.
And Eileen is already gonna go ahead and this little cookies.
It's peanut butter.
And that cookies is soft. You don't get, we haven't got that hard
It's
cookies.
really soft.
Yeah, break off again because I didn't got it on film.
I love the
It's
soft
soft.
cookies.
Yeah.
And with a little bit of syrup.
Yeah, you see, the syrup is very watery.
Sit nog op.
Mm.
Ek wil sien hoe loop hy.
I really like it. It's not too sweet, but it's nice.
Yeah, this is normal peanut butter. It's like peanut butter we know. They like their snacks. There's a lot of snacks and a lot of different kind of snacks.
Salt and vinegar. I love salt and vinegar.
And look at this little bites. It's a little cookie. She can open it now for you. That is also quite nice. You get it in packets. Most of the stuff are so packed. It's all in packets.
Sorry.
Oh, look at
It
that.
looks like a small muffin.
Squeeze it that they can see it's soft. Ja. Ja, sy. Ja, very
And
soft.
it's a little bit dry, but not too dry. And this is the banana muffin. The other day I eat a blueberry muffin and a chocolate muffin. This is really nice. I like it a lot.
Yeah, and then you get salads who's packed like that. You get by the food banks. What I must say is you have to look carefully because some of the stuff is a little bit off. So just look. Sometimes they're off. Sometimes they are quite fresh. You can use it, but you have to check it very nice. Like these ones are still usable, so we took this.
Het jy met hierdie afgepraat hoor?
Yeah, that is lekker. That one.
This is also nice.
Oh, I haven't do this. This is
South Africans old gold.
all gold. This is all gold. Really, I don't like the other tomato sauce, but all gold I like. But this tomato ketchup, it's straight all gold.
This is a mini bar.
You see, you get most of the stuff you get in box. They are packed very
It
neatly.
also has, it almost tastes like this one. It almost tastes like this one. I will break it.
I don't agree.
Almost.
I don't agree.
Yeah, it's a pity we cannot let
It
you
also
taste.
has peanut butter in.
We cannot let you taste. It would be better because for everyone it tastes different.
Yes, hold on. I'm not sure.
Perfect bar mini chocolate covered peanut butter.
They love peanut butter.
They call it a protein bar. Also.
Okay.
All right, and I missed this one. They like to give mincemeat in this package. Mincemeat is quite on this package. We don't have prices for you now. There's only if there's a price on. Like this meatball. This meatballs is $6. This meatballs is $6, and we will still try it. Yes, you want to say something?
Okay, let me go. They have these sausages. As the closest I can compare it to is Vienna's that has a little bit of cheese and jalapeno.
Vir jou ken af. Lekker geëet.
I did. So it tastes like a Vienna, but the aftertaste you get is a bit spicy, like it burns a bit.
This stuff is burning.
If you eat the entire stick, then your mouth is going to burn.
Yeah,
But if you only eat a little piece of it, it's not going to be that bad.
and we don't like burnt stuff. We're not built for burnt. What now?
But I want to talk about this one. It's really mince. In the beginning, I thought, what kind of stuff is this? But when I open it, the bigger one, it's really mince inside. And you can cut it the way you want it, the big size you
Is
want
it lean beef or fat beef?
This is 20% fat and 80% lean.
Yeah, and we tasted already some of that, and it is nice. It's
Yeah.
nice, the mincemeat. It's
You get the
very
full fat as well. And this, but they are bigger a bit. But this is really actually nice mince.
The other thing I want to point out before I forget, this is the butter. You don't get it at the food pantries, this one, because butter, milk,
Pop it forward.
cheese, what is this? Sugar, coffee. That is something we haven't seen at
Did
the
you talk about
food. I told them about this one, but you can also talk about this if you want.
the sweet make me thirsty, so I want to open it.
Yeah, we haven't tasted that taste already. Okay, bread, you get all kinds of bread. And I really must say the bread is nice. It's soft. I like the bread. You get all the different kinds of bread. Then the eggs. I want to talk about this eggs because some of the locals, they told us, or actually our viewers that is long time here in South Africa,
America.
they are long time here in America. Yeah, I have to get used to it. They say this white eggs is spoiled easily when you put them outside. I've heard it by some of our long South African American friends. But it's a white egg. But they are eggs. That's all I can say. They are eggs. Because we like to do the grain-fed eggs. That's what we've normally done in South Africa, because that is the ones who's got the most nutrients in it. But it is, yeah, let us see about that one. I think that is the last one for now.
This is mini chocolate donuts.
The light is making... Is there a price on it, or is it just a sticker?
It's just
Is it when it's
Just a sticker. It's the expiration date.
expired? Is the expired
the
date right?
14th of the 3rd month.
So it already expired.
When? From the 4th?
14.
The 14th. So it's just now. And look how fresh it is.
It's also a cookie.
Yeah.
That donuts is cookies and I
Donuts.
don't
Yeah, it's still fresh, that stuff. It's really, and they are taste very nice.
Papa het nog nie van het geproe nie. Papa kan nie sê dit hoe
But
mooi
I
nie.
know of the other ones I tasted already. Okay, so I think that is that. And it's really amazing, eh? If you put in general all this stuff, most of this stuff, you get at the food banks. So it is, I cannot stress it out. When you reach here, go to the food banks, talk to your agencies, let them give you information. You can go onto the internet. Remember here, Google is your friend. Go take your phone, go onto Google and search the things, search the places. We use now Google Maps a lot. We used to use Waze in South Africa, but here it is Google Maps. What? Is it burning?
Yeah.
I had a piece of jalapeno sticking out there. So I only ate that. Now my mouth is on fire.
So for the people who like burnt stuff, you will enjoy it. Yeah, now I want to show you the meat that is common here, what you get here. This is a bulk of meat. This is a boat. This is a varkboot. And there's the price on it, $19, let's say $20 for this hump of meat. Now, if we cut up this meat, it lasts us three, it lasts us quite a lot. And it's already, this specific one is smoked. So now, thanks to Kobus and Anay, who bought us these knives. These knives are so good quality. Now I can cut that boat up. It's really good quality, these knives. And with the cutting boards that they give us. And this is, normally you get your avos like this. We found this piesangs now, it's very, very green at the food bank. We will see how it will develop when it's gonna get ripe. So yeah, I think for now it is like that. You also get another, we got this one, but I'm not sure now. I don't think we got this from the food bank. I think this is one. Is this from what? From Kobus and Anna?
No, we bought that at Target.
At Target. Okay, so this, is it also a white egg? Maak hom oop, laat ek sien. Yeah, it's also a white egg. Okay, so you will get the white eggs a lot here. But they are eggs. That's all I cannot say they are good or what, it's eggs.
I just want to say that he had to put a video, the previous video on for you guys to see what he cut this piece of meat with and how he's going to do it now with the right knives.
Okay, she came in with it now. I will see, I will put it maybe on the end of this video. I will put it in that you can see how I cut it with only a little knife. Where is that knife? That's all we had here. You know, while we at that,
This. Only this one.
Yeah.
This is the sharpest knife in the house when we arrive.
Now, while we at that, let me show Eileen while I'm talking. Or because I cannot, this phone, I cannot change it now. Huh?
Yeah, wat wil jy
Well,
sê?
I thought you want to talk about
Yeah,
that.
I just want to show this is the right knife for that meat. There is totally different about this one.
And yeah, this thing that's lying here, it's the filter for this extractor fan. This is actually very handy because if you hear the humidity is so much, if you cook, you will wasem hier hele plek op.
You will fork the whole time,
Yeah.
and then the alarm will go off.
You have to. Eileen, come here. I want to. Let's talk about. Wag, I'm gonna stop it and change the camera. You can show our faces. All right. I want to talk about. Wat was dit nou gewees toe ek hier wou gepraat het? Nou sê ek
Oor die knives. Of
nee,
ek weet nie.
hi. I'm in my nothing box now.
Get out.
No, I cannot remember. I wanted to talk about. I already said the food banks. It's so important to go to the food banks. Go to your case workers. Nee man, that light is not good there.
This
Let's
one.
turn around. You see, it's not so easy to just make a video. It takes some effort. And when you come here, food banks is your friend. Search them up where they are and go to different food banks. When you're here in the beginning, you come and you have to relax. Relax, and in the meantime, what I said is, make sure your case managers they do all the stuff they need to do, like SSN and EAD and your medical and that stuff to doen aansoek, to apply
Yeah.
for all this stuff. That is in that first week. It's basically all you need to focus on. Let they do it. Make sure they do it, and then you can start to explore every day. But rest, because the flight is a big thing.
And the jet lag it's also a problem in the beginning. Okay, people are different to jet lags. Sometimes we still get it, but not so much anymore.
Yeah, and it's now our fourth. We start our fourth week now, and it still comes from time to time. And you just get all of a sudden you're tired. But in my case, is different because I struggle to sleep. If I got an idea, I jump up, I go to my computer, and I do some stuff, and it takes long. Like the other day when I wanted to upload that one video, I uploaded it, and then when I uploaded it, I saw a lot of faults on it. So I had to put it down and I had to do everything over. So I go sleep 4 o'clock in the morning. So when I'm working, it will not be able to have it. But in the meantime, at least I'm learning how to edit and do this stuff. We talk about the first week. Ne? So that is in the first week. You go to your food banks, different ones, because everyone's got different stuff what you can get. The amount you can get is different. And the first video I put on for that food bank, the next Friday when we go, they didn't have no meat, for instance.
Yeah.
So you have to plan ahead and look what is your needs. I know some people of us, they say they get flooded with food. So you don't need to come worry about food when you're here.
We are going regularly because these two food banks, the one is nearby us. You have to walk, but you don't have to go by bus. It's every Friday. And the one we go to today is from Tuesday till Saturday. Every day they are open. You can go different days.
But
you can go once a week. Yeah.
And so that's only the two we use on this stage.
It's because that's enough.
And but like I said, you don't get coffee, you don't get sugar, you don't get Now the light bulb come on what I forget. What I wanted to say, when you come here, you will find, maybe like in our instance, you will have coffee, but you have no kettle,
Milk.
you've got no milk, no sugar, you don't have a coffee maker. It depends. Where some of our, even the people in the same agency than us, the family, they were equipped with
Everything.
coffee makers,
Yeah.
everything. So it depends
On who is
from
setting up
situation
your
to,
house.
yeah. We could see it was a man who set up our
Yeah,
house.
yes.
Um,
But he had a good heart.
so
He tried.
there's no butter, stuff like that. They put bread for us, but no butter,
Yeah.
for instance. So that is just a little thing to
But
talk about.
you guys, if you don't have that, if you don't have coffee or milk or sugar or whatever you want to use, please ask them. They don't think maybe to put that stuff in, but when you ask them, then they can arrange it maybe for you.
Yeah, some of our friends said, for instance, they give them a card where they can buy food, but they did not have the bus tickets. So
Yes.
what does it help them?
And that is a totally different agency than ours, in a different state even.
Yeah, so they don't think always about stuff. That's why you need to speak up,
Yeah.
and always in a kind manner.
Always be friendly.
Yeah.
And ask about their family, how they are doing, how long, how many years are they in the country, because you will see most of the refugees agencies is refugees from before. They
Yeah,
are more like 2 years or 3 years or 4 years here.
And their situation when they came here was
It's
not the
different.
situation that we
Yes.
have.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and their culture is different.
Yes.
Some of them, they will give you a soft bed like a boat. And I know in general, we don't we like a stiff bed. So, stuff like that. That's a lot of little
Yeah.
stuff. But I know it's really a huge step to come here. It's a big step. And you don't know what to expect. And that's why I always say, we are educated, we can be driven, you have to be driven, and then you will make it. We are short here, but I'm sure, because now this week we start to actually
In our
look
fourth week.
for we've got our SSN cards now.
And our EIDs.
So now we're going to look since Monday, we tried to open a bank account. But on Monday, we had a hurricane warning. So we rather stay at home because we don't know how it is. It's a foreign country. So we rather decide to stay at home. Today is Tuesday and we
It
went
was
out.
open. The hurricane didn't arrive. Luckily, I think too many people prayed away.
Yeah, we went out to go to this food bank, and you see it almost takes up the whole day.
Yes.
We did not really had other stuff. We tried to open a bank account online, but we didn't manage it. Me, I let my phone fall. So my phone is broken on this stage. I have to use them, but we will. The agency say they will help us with the phone. So that's how nice they are. It's my fault that I let the phone fall when I was recording and
They
the phone
already
fall.
have the other phone. We have to go and get it.
Yeah, he told us he's got it, and we have to go tomorrow. Let me do a SIMs or a
Swap
SIM
or something.
change or whatever, because the Walmart family SIMs, they works different than the ones we used to in South Africa. They are very finicky. You cannot just change them. But anyway, that is what else we can tell you. Yeah, and keep on with the comments. We get some ideas. This video is actually just out of comments on the comments that you put on, and we try to get to every comment, but lately it's too much. So sorry if we missed a comment. We try, and I know when we start working, we will not have all that time to look at the comments. And I do like it when somebody I call them trolls when they put some negative stuff there and let you encounter them. But please don't just make a fight on the comments. Just leave them then. Because you get some people who's just negative and
Okay, guys,
so-
I have to
Okay.
go because
Yeah.
he will keep on going and going and ongoing. But I have to go. It was nice to have a taste with you guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Cheerio. Bye. Ons is vandag so gebless. Kyk net hierso. En nou is ek besig om die ding met hierdie mesie te sny. Kyk net daar. Maar ek het nou al so ver gekom. So ja, hopelik gaan ek nie die mes afbreek of die mes binne in my hande indruk nie. So, dit is maar wat ek jou wil gesê het. Ons was regtig gebless vandag. Ons het na 'n ander foodbank toe gegaan en hy was ver van ons af. Hy is aan die ander kant van die stad. Maar ons is regtig gebless met 'n hele paar goed. Unfortunately, I did not take a video when I cut this varkbout, when I cut it with the bigger knife, but it was much, much better. So yeah, but because of Eileen mentioned this, I'm gonna track her a streep. I don't know how to say that in English. But anyway, since I met Eileen, before we were married, she loved a bone. To, like this varkbout, the bone. And then she likes to eat the bone. Even any kind of meat, when you have, she likes to eat off the little bones. She like it very much. So I'm gonna put you a clip in here. It's she and this varkbout bone. Enjoy it. Jo, het hoort tot hier. Waarom maak 'n video, mama?
Ik weet.
Maar ek val om